Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, September 26th of 2019. We are continuing our Start with Hello week that is happening throughout this week, and on Thursday's activities for today, we have the promise to embrace diversity. So today I have a short video to talk a little bit about diversity and maybe have you guys understand it a little bit better.
My mom and dad say we are all different and that makes us beautiful. We were all from different cultures and believe in different religions. It would be boring if we all look alike, think alike, or talk alike. Every day at my school, I see everyone around me is different and special. We all have different color skins and we are all different shapes and sizes. But we are all kids and we are all growing each day. Some of us have short hair and some of us have long hair. Some of us have straight hair and some of us have curly hair. Some do not cut hair and wear a tufka, or a turban for their faith and religion. Some wear a kippah, or scarf also. We all have different shapes of eyes. Some of us wear glasses and some of us don't. But we all see beautiful things around us. Some of us use our feet to walk, and some of us use wheelchair. Others even use guide dogs to help them, but we all get around to different places. We may speak another language or communicate differently, but we all learn to express our feeling and learn to understand each other. All of us see different kinds of foods, but we all like to eat. Some of us like basketball and some of us like football. Some of us like golf and some of us like soccer. We may even dance to different songs, but all of us like to have fun after all. As you can see, we are all different and special in many ways. So next time you see someone different, it is important to respect and treat everyone the same way. After all, being different is beautiful and we can learn a lot from each other every day.
So that video talked about diversity and how we can treat others with respect and also understanding. So understanding that all of us have different things about each other, but all of us should be able to get along with one another also. For our birthday list for today, we have one birthday to announce. So Lily Edwards, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a wonderful day. And for our lunch choices today, we have orange chicken, pretzel with cheese dip, or fiesta taco salad with tortilla chips. And today's I have two paw samples here because I had to make up a set from Mrs. Hirsch's class because I wasn't able to get to their class one day. So we have two paw samples here today to celebrate different things that are happening with paws.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our paws, and we have some students here from kindergarten, Mrs. Hirsch's class today, to give some examples. Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
And I will follow up with the second set.
Alright, it is time for our pause, and we have three students here from Mrs. Hirsch's kindergarten class to talk a little bit about pause today.
No pushing people down the slide. Don't do the 59 of them. The same thing on my knees. No one in the hallway.
That's good advice. Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys very much. That took a lot of bravery to do the pause for this time around, so thank you. And at this time, let's make sure we take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a wonderful day today. Have a great diversity day, and actually we're going to be doing something probably special in the lunchroom today at cafeteria time for lunch. So we're going to call it a mix it up day, so that you're going to be able to sit in different places today with different groups of friends. So if you're in kindergarten through 5th grade, you'll be able to sit with different groups that you normally eat lunch with. You can change it up. So 5th graders can sit with 4th graders, 1st graders can sit with kindergartners, 3rd graders sit with 2nd graders. So it's Mix It Up Day in the cafeteria today. So we celebrate a little bit about our differences in diversity. Everyone have a wonderful day.